What's this building here?
Well, this was the old post office and the post office house. The post office was in this end. That's the post office door. It was run by the Fullartons for many years. And my granny was a Fullarton, of course.
So was she ever in the post
One of
office?
that family. No, she wasn't in the post office at all. But that branch of the family were up at Chrasgaidh.
So who was the last... it's not a post office anymore?
Not a post office now. No, the post office moved down to the shop on the crossroads.
When did the post office here close?
There, how long ago? 15, 20 years ago? 15 years ago. Say about 1980.
And who was the last postmistress here?
Mrs. MacWilliams, who was
Bessie.
Bessie Buchanan.
What was her name before?
Bessie Buchanan. She wasn't a Fullarton, but I think she was related. She was in the post office, helping in the post office all her days, I think.
And what did you have to do with the post office here?
Well, I brought the mail here from the bus. The bus came in at the crossroads.
And where did you post your letters?
There was a letterbox below the window there.
That's gone now. I remember it was a lid with letters on it, spelled Lettres.
That's right. I brought the mail here and it was sorted there. And then I took the mail right up to Cluanie, delivering on the way, and at Torgoyle I would hand over a mailbag to the local post there, who delivered from Dundreggan to Chrasgaidh. That contract finished in 1965. George Swan was driving it for me at that time.
I remember being in the post office myself. So you must have had it going for a wee bit after 65, maybe 68 or 69.
No, well, yes.
And why did you stop doing the mail?
Well, the post office put a red van on and they delivered all the mail themselves. Using a postman instead of a mail contractor.